So over here, you can see that I am in Google Photos. And if you want to add in 3D effect to your pictures, then what you can do is you can click on a picture you want to add the effect in and then go to edit and create. So once you go to edit and create, over here, you can see add 3D effect is an option. So once you click over here, then it says the 3D effect is getting ready. So if you were to press the play button right here, nothing happens because no 3D effect has been added in. So over here on the right side, you can see some 3D effects that you can use. So let's say I want to use the Aurora effect. So simply click and drag this over here. And there's the effect. And the term 3D effect is applied because this effect is actually 3D. You can rotate this around right here. You can on either sides according to how you like it. So if you were to press the play button, you can see the effect in action in your picture, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around, and you can go around onto effects again and add in other effects as well. So let's say I want to add in this effect. So you can just go around right here, add in the autumn leaves effect right here, press the play button right here, just like this. So I haven't added in this effect yet. So let me just go around, click and drag the autumn effect right here. And there you go. There's the effect, as you can see. And you can select where you want the effect as well by using this timeline right here. So press the play button and you can see that there's the 3D effect in play, as you can see right here, just like that. You can go around right here, delete off the effects that you don't like as well, and the effects will be deleted. You can go to effects and add as many effects as you like. So here you can see that there's like this news effect right here, as you can see. So it will just pop up. So if I were to go around and press the play button, there you go. There's the news effect, as you can see. So just press the play button, and as it comes, you can see that there's the effect right here. You can rotate this around just like this and place it wherever you want, as you can see, and the effect just plays out over here. So you can go around over here onto the 3D library as well. And here in 3D library, you can see a lot of effects. So there's like words and symbols and everything else. So you can go around over here. And this library is actually online. So it is connected to the Microsoft server. So once you go around over here, what you can do is you can load this out. So it downloads the model off of the internet right here and places it out onto the picture right here. So it's downloading that out right here. And then there you go. So there's the effect. And over here, you can control out the timeline over here, place it wherever you want. So if you were to go around and press the play button, you can see that there is this effect right here. So this is the balloon right here. You can go around, rotate it out right here. And you can also add in, let's say, for example, wobble animation to this. And what happens is that you can go around, even increase the time of this balloon effect. So if I were to go around and press play, you can see that now the balloon wobbles out over here in place as well. And that is how you can add in 3D effects to pictures inside of Photos app in Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.